Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about function definition. In the last class I have explained about function declaration. Okay, so here function definition is also known as function implementation. So function is used to perform one specific task. So those task is specified in this function definition. Okay, so function implementation shall include the following elements. So these are the 6 elements that are involved in function definition. The first one is function name, function type, list of parameters, local variable declaration, function statements, return statement. Okay, these are the 6 terms involved in function definition. Let's see one by one. So here all the 6 elements are grouped into 2 parts. Okay, the one is known as function header and the next one is function body. Okay, first 3 elements are involved in function header and second 3 elements are involved in function body. Okay, so these 3 elements are involved in function header and these 3 elements are in function body. Okay, so let's see here the general format for function definition to implement these 2 parts. Okay, this is the function definition syntax. So first one is function type, function name, parameter list. Okay, so inside this it has local variable declaration, executable statements and return statements. Okay, so here function type is used to return, function type is used to specify return type of a function, whether it is int or float or void. Function name is used to specify the name of function. Okay, parameters are used to specify the values. Okay, data types and values, those you want to pass. Okay, local variable declaration. So here you can declare the variables. Local variables are nothing but the variables are used only inside the block. So in this block only that variables are used. So that's why those are known as local variables. Next, executable statements. So these statements are used to perform one task. Next, return statement. So what the function will return. Okay, so that is return statement. First one is function header. So function header consists of 3 parts. Those are the function type, function name and formal parameter list. Note that a semicolon is not used at the end of the function header. So in a function header it has 3 parts: function type, function name and parameters, and it is not ended with semicolon, but function declaration should ended with semicolon. That is the difference between function declaration and function call. Okay, function declaration also consists of 3 parts. Those are return type, function name and parameters. Okay, the difference is that function declaration contain semicolon and function definition will not contain. Okay, name and type. The function type is used to specify the type of value, whether it is a float or int, that the function is expected to return to the program calling function. Okay, so function have 3 aspects: function declaration, function call and function definition. So function declaration is used to specify the name and the type and parameters. Function call is used to call a function. Okay, so whenever you call a function, that control passes to function definition. Okay, so after executing the function definition statements, it will return a value to the calling function. Okay, so that value is returned to the calling function, that is return type. If the return type is not explicitly specified, the C will assume that it is an integer value. Okay, so default value of return type is integer value, whether it is 0 or 1, -1, whatever it may be. Function name is any valid C identifier and therefore must follow the same rules of formation as other variable names in C. Okay, so whatever the rules for identifier, those rules are: the function name should not start with a digit. Okay, blank spaces are not allowed. Function name should not be a keyword. Those rules are applicable to the function name also. Okay, so next one is formal parameters. So Parameter list declares the variables that will receive the data sent by the calling program. Okay, so we call a function by using values. Okay, those values are known as parameters. Okay, so parameter declares the list of variables, okay, that will receive the data sent by the calling function. Okay, they serve as input data to the function to carry out specified task. So for performing a task, it will take the input values. Those are in the parameters. The parameter list contains the declaration of variables separated by comma and surrounded by parentheses. So in this way, we can declare the parameter list. So here float is a return type, mul is a function name, and float x, float y. These are two parameters. Okay. Next one is function body. So first one is function header. Next one is function body. So it contains the declarations and the statements necessary for performing the required task. Okay. The main purpose of function is used to perform the task. So here body of function is used to perform the task. The body enclosed in braces contains three parts. Okay, those are local declarations, function statements, and return statements. So local declarations are nothing but declaring variables needed by the function. So whatever the variables needed by the function, the declaration is done in local declarations. Okay, those are int a, char c, like this. You can declare all the variables in this local declarations. Function statements. So here statements are used to perform the task of the function. Okay, so normally function is used to perform the task. These function statements are used to specify the statements that are used to perform the task. Next, return statement that returns a value evaluated by the function. Okay, so here the program example int max, int num1, int num2. So this is function definition. Okay, so int is a return type, max is a function name, num1, num2 are the parameters. Next, it contains local variable declarations. So here I am declaring int result. If num1 greater than num2, then result is num1, else result is m2. Okay. So after that it will return the result. Okay. In this example, it involves two sections. The first one is head section and this is body section. So it contains three parts: return statements, return type, function name, parameters, and function body contains local variable declarations and set of statements and also a return statement. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.